Hey everybody, I'm just chilling on a Friday, or shoot, it's already past midnight. It's a Saturday morning. I'm a night owl. But what now? What now? What's wrong with me? But right now, I don't have an owl, per se. I do have a parrot named, you know him, you love him. He's hard to see. There he is. Dark as hell, ain't you? Even though you got light green feathers and a nice red head. Red-headed Amazon parrot. And all he wants, in the form of attention, he's going for it. That's all he wants. Scratch. He doesn't even care what scratches him. Gonna have the remote in his face, and he'll like, oh, you came to scratch my face? Yes, my buddy. I love. That's my double chin. Need to get rid of that. Shield scary. Who am I kidding? Shield scary. God willing. That's me willing. He say that in Spanish. If I'm willing. His head is down low. Just scratching him with my pinky toe. This bird has no standards. No, no. I say no, no. And that's about it. 2 minutes. Peace out, everybody. Ruby. Watch. He'll want me to scratch him with his phone. Scratch, scratch. Okay, no, he's scared. How do you feel, big boy? You're on camera. Say hello there. He said, hello there. Say hello. Hello. I know you can say hello. I taught you how to say hello there. Hello. Hello. He's camera shy. Make him look like he's banging his head. Boink, 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 boink. That's my Ruby. Hanging out with Ruby. I can't even pet. I can scratch him. But can I touch his wing? See, he's like, what are you doing? That's all I want. Let's really scratch him. He's a good boy. Watch. Get him out. Xfinity. Oops, sorry. I'm looking through the camera. Oh, now he's scared of it. Come here. Here. Scratch, scratch. Yeah, he's scared of it. I'll leave him be. I did it before. And you just took a shit on camera. On my bed. Again. He sure did. Nasty bird. What I gotta do? Put a pamper on you? That won't work. He would chew right through it. Do that to a chicken, they can chew through it because all they got is a pecking beak. He's got. That beak is made to crush nuts. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Good job, boy. Wait it. Can I touch your beak? Can I touch your beak? Touch your beak. You like scraping your beak, huh? You see, he'll let me do that, but he won't let anybody else do that. He'll sooner bite them and draw blood. That's a mean bird. Yes, you are. You are a mean bird. Every time anybody comes in the room, you start squawking and put their hand on you saying, hi. You go, just chomping, lunging yourself at the cage in the door and go, don't even care. Oh, it's 5 minutes already. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys go. If you like this video, give a like, make a comment, share it. Probably have it on YouTube, Facebook, whatever. Say goodbye, Ruby. I'm all up in your grill. Peace out, everybody.